Hello children, welcome back to Max class. Today we will continue chapter 14, Birds Come, Birds Go. Do you enjoy the previous class? Okay. Today we will learn word problems related to addition and subtraction. Now we will get into the topic. Okay. Word problems. We already studied word problems, right? First question. Rahul scored 23 runs in a cricket match and Dhoni scored 69. How many runs did they make in all? Next, we have to write the step. Okay. So, first step is number of runs Rahul scored in a cricket match. So, how many runs Rahul scored in a cricket match? 23 runs. So, number of runs Rahul scored in a cricket match equal to 23. Next step, number of runs Dhoni scored. Number of runs Dhoni scored in a cricket match. Equal to 69. So first step is number of runs Rahul scored in a cricket match, that is 23. Next step, number of runs Dhoni scored in a cricket match, that is 69. So how many runs did they make in all is the question. When we find in all together, sum in the question, what we have to do? We have to do addition. Okay. So next step is total number of runs. Equal to 23 plus 69 equal to, first we have to write tens and ones. Okay. In 23, 2 is in tens place and 3 is in which place? Ones place. Okay. Then put the symbol plus 69. 6 is in tens place, 9 is in ones place. Next we have to add these two numbers. Okay. 3 plus 9 is 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 plus 9 is 12. 1 is carry over. Next is we have to add the numbers in the tens space. That is 1 plus 2 plus 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. You keep 3 in your mind and then take 6 in your hand. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 23 plus 69 equal to 92 runs. Do you understood? Second question. Bunu rabbit can eat 29 carrots in 1 week. Bunu rabbit can eat 42 carrots in 1 week. Who eats more in a week and by how much? Next we have to write the steps. Okay. So first step is number of carrots Bunu rabbit eats. So number of carrots Bunu rabbit eats is equal to 29. Next step, number of carrots Bunu rabbit eats. Number of carrots Bunu rabbit eats. Equal to 42. So in 1 week, Bunu rabbit can eat how many carrots? 29 carrots. And Munu rabbit can eat how many carrots? 42 carrots. So who eat more carrots? Bunu rabbit or Munu rabbit? ആരാണ് ക്യാരറ്റ് കൂടുതൽ കഴിക്കുന്നത്? Bunu rabbit ആണോ Munu rabbit ആണോ? Bunu rabbit ആണെങ്കിൽ 29 carrots കഴിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. Munu rabbit ആണെങ്കിൽ 42. So who eats more carrot? Yes, right. Munu rabbit can eat more carrot. Okay? Munu rabbit can eat more carrot. And by how much? Number of carrots Munu rabbit eats more equal to 42 minus 29. Bunu rabbitനേക്കാളും Munu rabbit എത്ര ക്യാരറ്റ് കൂടുതൽ കഴിക്കും എന്നാണ് അടുത്ത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. So you have to subtract 42 minus 29. Tens ones, 42. 4 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place. Then minus 29. Next is subtract 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9 is not possible because 2 is smallest number, 9 is biggest number. So borrow 1 from tens place. Then 2 becomes 12 and 4 becomes 3. Okay? 12 minus 9. Take 9 in your hands. Backward counting. 12 before number. Which numbers come before 12? Yes, right. 11. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. That is 12 minus 9 is 3. Next, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 42 minus 29 equal to 13. 13 carrots. So Munu rabbit Bunu rabbitനേക്കാളും എത്ര ക്യാരറ്റ് കൂടുതൽ കഴിക്കും? 13 carrots കൂടുതൽ കഴിക്കും. Okay? Rani has 32 bangles. Anu has 15 bangles. How many more bangles does Rani have? So first step is number of bangles Rani has. So how many bangles Rani has? Equal to 32 bangles. Then which is the next step? Number of bangles Anu has. Number of bangles Anu has. Equal to 15 bangles. Next is how many more bangles does Rani have? So number of bangles, number of more bangles Rani have equal to 32 minus 15. Tens ones. 32 minus 15. First we have to subtract ones place, that is 2 minus 5. 2 is smallest number, 5 is greatest number, so we can't subtract. So borrow ones from this tens place. Then 2 becomes 12 and 3 becomes 2. Now 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5. Take 5 in your hand. Backward counting. 12 before which number comes? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 32 minus 15 is 17. So number of more bangles Rani have equal to 17. Okay. Shreya collects the money and writes it in her diary. Help Shreya to find how much money is left at the end of the month. So October month. October 3 collected rupees 60. So on October 3 she collected how many rupees? Rupees 60. October 3 il etra രൂപയാണ് കളക്ട് ചെയ്തത്? 60 rupees she collected. Okay. October 7 bought a broom for rupees 18. October 7 what she do? She bought a broom for how many rupees? 18 rupees. For October 3 she collected rupees 60 rupees ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. October 7 ൽ എന്താ ചെയ്തത്? ഒരു ബ്രൂം വാങ്ങിച്ചു. എത്ര രൂപയ്ക്കാണ് വാങ്ങിച്ചത്? rupees 18. October 8 bought a phenyl bottle for rupees 25. For rupees 25 she bought a phenyl bottle on October 8. October 8 ന് എന്ത് വാങ്ങിച്ചു? ഒരു phenyl bottle. എത്ര രൂപയ്ക്കാണ് വാങ്ങിച്ചത്? rupees 25. October 25 collected rupees 27 from the cards we made. And October 25 also how many rupees she collected? Rupees 27. Next we have to find out total money collected, right? So collected rupees 60 on October 3 and collected rupees 27 on October 25, isn't it? So we have to add these two, 60 rupees 60 and rupees 27. 60 plus 27 equal to 60 plus 27. 0 plus 7, 7. 6 plus 2. You keep 6 in your mind and 2 in your hand. 6 after 7, 8. So 60 plus 27 equal to 87. Rupees 87. So total money collected is rupees 87. Now we have to find out the total money spent. That is, she bought a broom for rupees 18. And also she bought a phenyl bottle for rupees 25. So we have to add these two. 18 plus 25. Okay. 18 plus 25. First. Now add 8 plus 5. You keep 8 in your mind and 5 in your hand. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 is carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So total money spent is rupees 43. So total money collected is rupees 87 and total money spent is rupees 43. We have to find money left at the end of October. Okay, so what will we do? Money collected is 87. Okay, and money spent is 43. So 87 minus 43. 87 minus 43. Take 3 in your hand. 7 before 6, 5, 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Next 8 minus 4. Take 4 in your hands. 8 before 7, 6, 5, 4. So money left at the end of October is 44. Okay? Rupees 44. Understood? Now she have rupees 44 only. Now we are going to study multiplication table of 8. 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48, 7 8s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 9 8s are 72, 10 8s are 80. Once again, 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48, 7 8s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 9 8s are 72, 10 8s are 80. I hope all have enjoyed today's section. It's time to wind up this section. Study the multiplication table of 8. See you soon on next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.